Hi everybody, welcome to this Udemy course. This is a course on the basics of chess run by my website thequietmove.com. So firstly, thank you very much for buying the course and for watching the videos and taking part in the whole exchange and learning how to play chess. It's great to have more people on board, and hopefully this will be a really instructive and value-adding course for you. I really hope so. If there is any other comments about what you think we should improve, that's great. Please get in touch. We'd love to hear from you. So what kind of things are we going to run on this course? So first of all, we're going to learn how to play chess, how to win games. We're going to have a look at when it's a draw in chess. We're going to look in particular at what each piece does. So we'll talk you through in detail how each piece moves on the board, what moves you can play, which moves you can't, when you can't play them. I think when you first start looking at chess and you see that the knight moves in a funny L shape, you think, okay, do I really understand that? We'll have a look at all those different kinds of things. We'll have a look at some of the special moves, so things like you may have heard of en passant or castling, things like that. We'll have a look at how those moves work in a game, when you can play them, when you can't. We're then going to have a look at some example games, so we'll talk you through one or two games and actually see how making these moves works in a real game, whether they're good or bad, and what kind of things to look out for. And with that in mind, we're going to have a look at some basic chess strategy as well to see what kind of things we should be doing in our games to improve as players. And finally, what we'll do is we'll end with a fully annotated game to end the course, where we actually have a look in detail at one full game that's played out between two really good players, see what kind of moves they made, why they made them, and ultimately use that to help us learn a little bit more about how to play chess. As I said, my name's Andrew. I really hope this course is useful to you. If you do have any comments or thoughts, it'd be really great to hear from you. We're all about improving the content that we have on here. And please enjoy the videos and look forward to seeing you on the course. Take care.